Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the HOGWORKZ channel. My name is Kyle, and today we're introducing you to our Softail 18 to 23 highway peg crash bar. This thing is heavy duty constructed using steel, featuring derlin sliders. This is going to protect your bike top to bottom, especially in the front. This crash bar is perfect for you guys out stunt riding and all the performance bagger guys. We're going to jump into a quick installation here in the shop with Alex and show you how to get this on your bike. Today we're going to be putting it on our 23 Lowrider ST. This is going to fit 18 to 23 street bobs, lowriders, Lowrider S, and just like this bike here, Lowrider ST. Let's get into it.
All right, so a couple tools you'll need to install this is going to be 5/16 Allen, a T45 socket, and some Loctite. The first thing we're going to do is go ahead and remove the left side foot peg with your T45. Okay, the next thing you want to do is remove the brake side foot peg. Alright, so you just want to let this lay down here, and then the next thing you're going to do is take your T45 bolt out of the master cylinder here. So on the brake side, you are going to use the provided 2 longer screws to go through the foot peg mount. You're going to use the other screw to mount the engine guard, and you're going to reuse the T45 that was in your master cylinder. And you'll want to Loctite all of these screws. Alright, so we're ready to install the crash bar. What we want to do is we want to just set it up there and put in one screw that's not the ones that hold the foot peg on or the one with the master cylinder. So it's going to be the second most forward. And then we're not going to tighten it all the way, we're just going to snug it up and go to the other side and do the same thing. So again, same thing on the other side. And we just want to get it snug. So on this side, we'll go ahead and replace our foot peg. Go ahead and get it started. Alright, so once you got everything snugged up, you can go ahead, go back around, tighten them up. Alright, so good rule of thumb is before you actually tighten anything down, make sure you get all the bolts started in their holes. You know, there's 4 on each side, so getting everything to line up. If you tighten down one side, it may end up putting it off a little bit to where the other side won't align. So just keep that in mind. So we're going to go ahead and put this assembly back up here. So I think the easiest thing to do first is going to be put this up, your master cylinder, and then you're going to reuse the same bolt. Alright, so we got our master cylinder bolt back in here with the T45. Go ahead and put the brake assembly back into position. And then once you got all your bolts started and you got one side tightened down, come on over to the other side and tighten the bolts you already had started.